Well, like I said, YouTube, let's go on and get to it. Beautiful package. They got these things packing good. Oh, wow. Let's see. Oh, they go hard, look. Man, these chainsaw pants, and these chainsaw pants are meant to prevent you from, when you using the chainsaw, they will prevent you from getting cut in the leg. If you make a mistake and be about to cut your leg, these pants are gonna protect you. But that's hard. Got my own little book bag, man. Like when I'm walking through the woods and shit, man. Like, come on, y'all look at that. YardMaris. Man, hey, I just want to say I love y'all, man. Y'all sent the lumberjack man this. Like, hey, man, I gotta finish opening this, man. This is hard, man. This is hard. Man, this is hard. Oh, what these motherfuckers hard. Oh my God. Hold on. I gotta unbuckle these. Let's see how these go. But they snap. Look at these pants, y'all. Why these jokers hard? Look, as you can see, this is how they look of me wearing the pants. You know what I'm saying? YardMaris, they snap. Look, man, you got the pouch right here on the pants. You got another pouch right here on the pants. You know what I'm saying? They got the snap around where you can hook on the bottom of the pants to make the pants look how they look. This is some real running from a damn barrel. These pants are built for that. So, hey, shop right now, YardMaris, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Shop.